Hello friends, welcome to Abhiyanvi tutorials. So today in this class we'll see how to calculate the difference between two attendance dates. That means after how many days I attended the class again. That's I want to calculate. So here have some dates and the status of class attending, like attended, missed, and all there. So wherever attendance attended is there, I want to display what is the difference between current attendance date and the previous attended date. And if it is missed, it should display blank. Okay. So for that, I will write a calculated column. Okay. And I have here DAX ready. So I will copy this and I will explain step by step. Okay. So here we'll declare two variables, current date. So the table is attendance table. So current date is the attendance date and current status is attendance status. So I want to calculate the previous attended. So previous attended variable is nothing but we have to filter all dates less than current date where status is attended, and we have to take the maximum of those dates. So that is the formula here using the calculate max attended date where the date is less than current date and status is attended. So I am collecting all dates which are less than current date where status is attended, and I am taking the maximum of the dates. So that is nothing but previous attended because all our dates are ascending order. Okay. So then I will return a variable. Three variables are already calculated. So using those three variables, we'll write a return statement using if condition. So if current status is not attended, then blank. If current status is attended, one more if is there where previous attended, if it is a blank, then I have to display blank. So that is the case of first row. So previous attended is not there. That's why it will be blank. Else, excuse me, else current date minus previous attended, right? So if previous attended is blank, then I have to display blank. Otherwise, current date minus previous attended. So let us see the effect of this formula. So we got here some answers, but our column is in terms of dates. So difference between the two dates, it is calculating as a date. So I want to change this data type to whole number. Okay. So this, then I will get the difference between two attendance. For example, 27 October minus 2nd October. So 25 days. After 25 days, I attended class. Again, after 47 days, I attended the class. Okay. Where this is 13 December minus 27 October is 47. Okay. Like that, I will calculate the difference between the two attendance dates. That means after how many days I attended the class again. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhiyanvi Tutorials for more such amazing Power BI videos. Thanks for watching.